Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please click that subscribe and like button. Alright, so let's get into it. So today the market started off the day a little rough. This was due to the fact that there was a Fed meeting today, so Jay Powell tends to crash the market. However, that was not the case today. We did see a lot of fear build up, so the UDXY actually gained a lot of traction up in the morning. I do believe it popped up from around 20.30 all the way up to 21.30. Would have been a nice little trade for you if you got in on that. So after that meeting, everything started to cool down a little bit and settle down. The NASDAQ has been selling off for about 4 days and has had red days. So it was about time to turn, and that's just what happened today. It kind of looked like a short squeeze as well. So you had Apple that ran up. I do believe they topped out, ran down to 109 and topped out at 112 on the day. Then you also had Amazon. Amazon started out the day at 3,000 and went up to 3,133. Another company that really did well today was Microsoft. Microsoft ran from 202 at its bottom all the way up to 208. And again, this helped carry up the SPY as well. So the SPY recovered and ended up going from 325 all the way up to 330. Now again, with Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, those are all stocks that are included in TQQQ. So TQQQ actually ran up from 116 all the way up to 125. We also saw a lot of strength in the dollar today. So the DXY is up around 94. As I said yesterday, I expected this to kind of keep that strength. We'll see if it continues. Definitely with the British pound, kind of keep an eye on that situation. The Chinese yen as well, to make sure that those currencies are holding their strength against the dollar. So that way we don't see another decrease in gold and other commodities. However, that being said, I am starting to look at the ETF corn. Corn is an ETF that's based off corn. And being in Iowa, I know how bad the corn harvest will be this year. There was also a lot of flooding in China that took out a lot of corn fields. So I'm definitely believing that we will see a decrease in supply and increase in demand, since corn is pretty much in everything. So this is something that I'll be keeping my eye on, kind of like one of those special little things that should be a really good trade. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to buy call options on this or if I'm just going to buy the ETF. It's currently right around $13 per share, so it's pretty cheap. So I might just buy a bunch of shares, that way I don't have to worry about a time limit and expiration. However, I could definitely maximize profits, or if you're a little short on change, can maximize profits by going with the call option on it. However, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot give you financial advice. This is me just documenting what I am thinking on my thoughts and opinions. Alright folks, well that pretty much wraps it up. So the things I'll be watching, I'm still watching the bank stocks. Bank stocks actually got hammered today as well. So there's definitely some opportunity. However, I do kind of want to wait until it's a little bit closer to that stress test. Just in that way I can kind of get a feel of how they're going to react. But after today, I'm leaning towards bearish or the downside. However, these banks have been beat down pretty good, so there's not really a lot of downside left in them. Something else I'll be watching is Tesla. Tesla is getting destroyed during battery day. As I mentioned yesterday in my video, I kind of saw this coming. It's been hyped up for so long. It's to be expected. Now it's just a matter of how far down it will go. However, if you found value in this video, please click that like button and subscribe button so you can be notified when I come out with more videos. Alright folks, enjoy the rest of your night, and remember, have your pets spayed or neutered. Thanks.